we have reached 1,000 subscribers. Yes! Hi everyone, this is Sanket here. 3 months back there was a lockdown which was announced by the Indian government, and because of that everything was actually shut. It was very difficult for the teachers like us to actually go about and now teach our students, and that's when I thought that let me start making videos, and I'll instead of sending the videos to the students, I will post these videos on the YouTube because mostly everybody is on the YouTube, and I thought that when they are watching other contents which is there on YouTube, they will probably come to my channel also, and they'll be like, okay, let's see what the sir is teaching and all. So I started making videos like that, and I started posting it on YouTube specifically and mostly to my students of my college. And the first video which I had posted was actually molecular docking, and after 1 week or so, when I checked the views, it had reached somewhere close to 1,000, and that surprised me because we don't even have that many students. Like, I don't even think that, and I was wondering that did the students really watch it so many times? And that's when I got introduced to the analytics and everything, and then I realized that the YouTube algorithm had actually picked up this video of mine, and then it had blown it up, and that started, and then I posted another video, and so forward, and the YouTube algorithm started picking it up, and it started giving it in the recommendation. And within, I think, 1 month or so, that is somewhere in April, I had somewhere close to 200 subscribers. I have crossed 200 subscribers. So thank you very much. And that was the time actually I felt that, okay, I think I should start, focusing on, continuing this YouTube channel and making it like a proper YouTube channel for all the people, because when I saw the number of the number of viewers which are there, but they were not only from India, but they were from US, they were from UK. There were 15 to 16 cities and countries which are there actually, which were actually viewing at this content. So I was like, okay, then I should start making a YouTube channel. So very frankly, I can say I became YouTuber. Okay, I can say this because now I have reached 1,000. I became a YouTuber only because of the YouTube algorithm, and I mean that is what it actually pushed it. And yeah, from there on I started interacting with you guys. I got a lot of positive comments from you all. I started developing different ways in which I could bring out some different contents. I started making tutorials. I started making lecture series for a particular topic, a small lecture series for a particular topic. I also started something called as In Conversation With, where I could bring some experts and discuss with about the current topics which are there. So I tried experimenting things in which I can provide good content to the people, and very frankly it feels a great thing for me to reach 1,000 is because bioinformatics itself is a very niche field. Okay, it's not something which can go viral and within 2-3 days it has reached millions of viewers and all. It does not happen like that. It's a very niche field, and the number of people who are actually interested in this field is also very less. So for me, reaching 1,000 subscribers in a span of 3 months is, I feel, a great achievement. And I like to thank all of you viewers out there who were constantly sending me a lot of emails, who are sending me a lot of good and positive comments. My major is in the range of 20 to 25. That is the age group which is major, but then it is followed by 25 to 30, 30 to 35, and even 40 to 45. That means there are a lot of even scientists or professors out there who are actually viewing my content. So great shout out to all of you guys, and thank you very much for constantly supporting me. There was some of the comments which also said that try making your videos in English. As I told you, that the reason why I actually I had started it for my own students, and that's why I started using Hindi, which is the Indian language. But then slowly it started reaching different places. That's when even Kenya also I got a lot of people from there, comments and viewers from there. So even they started saying that make it in English. So that's where I started, making making the videos purely in English. I also got a lot of emails from you for different sort of collaborations, for papers, for queries. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I am trying to make a mechanism in which I can communicate with you guys effectively, because believe me, there are about 25 to 30 comments on YouTube. There are many comments which I get on different platforms, and it becomes really difficult for me to manage everything, because very frankly making a YouTube video is very, very difficult, because it takes a lot of time actually, and editing is something which takes a really, really lot of time. I mean, seriously, hats off to all those YouTubers out there who spend so much time editing. And I have no one, I have no team. It's me alone. I do everything, the graphics, the whatever is there, the animations and everything is all done by me. I try my level best to experiment a lot which is there, so it takes a really lot of time. My whole I should say I try my level best to actually come up with a video at least once in a week. There's a lot of process which goes into. I have like 4-5 topics which have been lined up, which I have been working. I am looking at your comments. Okay, don't think that I'm not posting any video because I'm just ignoring. No, it's not the case. I'm looking at your comments. I'm working on it. So now, speaking about the comments, I want to tell something to you guys. Guys, why don't you actually reply to the comments which is there? Okay, it's not a class that you're actually waiting for me to reply to each and every comment. Okay, there are many people who have lots and lots of queries. There are people so if you know the answer to the queries, please start replying on the comments, because see, there will be a point, or there is actually, you can say, a point where I can't start reply. I used to reply to each and every comment before, but now it becomes, because there's so many of these suggestions, it becomes really difficult for me to do so. So I have one thing to ask you, that please start helping each other. The next thing which I want to ask is, okay, there was some period of time where actually I was not available also. The reason being is some really wonderful things happened. Actually, the purpose for what I had started this YouTube channel was to have collaborations and meet some really great people. Okay, and that is what happened. Looking at my YouTube channel, there were people from Rotary Club of Pune which asked me. I made a video on that too. Alright, they asked me to speak on a particular topic, which is life after COVID-19. I agreed. Thank you, Lokesh, for that. Lokesh Sharma, who's the president of Rotary Club, he asked me. So that was a great experience. The second best thing which happened was, looking at my YouTube video, Dr. Nipol Raj from Annai College asked me to give a webinar, and we had done I was invited as a speaker for his national webinar, which was there. The third thing was, recently also, after looking at my YouTube video, there was a scientist, Dr. Adhikari from Kathmandu University, okay, which had a supercomputer facility. So they invited me over to give a talk for their students, And so this is some of the great things which is actually happening. I'm meeting new people, I'm interacting with new people because of this medium which is there. So the next thing is there are some things which I want to note it down. Okay, is please do not post asking me regarding the troubleshooting, because believe me, it becomes really difficult to understand anything which is there to troubleshooting. Unless and until I don't look at your system, unless and until don't look at your problems, it's very difficult. I understand that most of the people who ask me regarding the troubleshooting are actually the non-IT people. Troubleshooting is something which is very a very basic part of what is bioinformatics or IT. So try solving your troubleshooting problems. The next thing which I want to say is if you have any comments or queries, you can just put it in the comment section. I request you not to put it on the Facebook. I had initially shared my Facebook, ResearchGate and LinkedIn links with you, but that is for just for connecting, like the things which I just told you. And really, I'll tell you, I stopped commenting also for a long time. 2 reasons: because of, as I said, troubleshooting, and second thing is because there are repetitive comments which have been coming, repetitive queries which have been coming actually. So so I suggest you that reply to those repetitive queries. And the last thing which I want to ask from you is, guys, please subscribe. Okay, I checked my analytics and I've seen the number of people who are viewing this channel, okay, is more than the number of people who have subscribed to it. So don't do this. All right, I am going out of the way in order to help you all. Okay, I'm trying my level best to share my whatever knowledge I have with you. So I have a humble a request for you all, my viewers, that you are viewing the channel. Thank you very much. You are viewing, you're liking my videos, thank you. You're sharing it with your colleagues and your students, thank you. But please do subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much again. This is just the beginning, I will say. Okay, this is the beginning. Okay, 1,000 is the first thing. I think the next time I will come when I'll make a similar video like this when we have, let's say, 2,000 subscribers. Okay, please share this channel more. Please like my videos, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's make it one of the premium bioinformatics channel on YouTube. Okay, and believe me, the more you support me, the more wonderful and good content I'm going to come up. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. Bye bye and take care.